So hello, welcome back. This is a nice little overview of another Eaglemoss release of their series Star Trek, the official Starships collection. This time it's issue 27, Romulan Bird-of-Prey, the version from 2152. As you can see, this was released in 2014 by CBS Studios, manufactured somewhere in China, designed by Eaglemoss. This is one of the more interesting starships. It was clearly inspired by Matt Jeffries and from his 1960s model done for the original TV show, for the original Star Trek. This is how the thing looks like from the top. You can see the nice yellow painted windows. You can also see the nice surface details. I like also the green, the different green tones, if you want, or what is the correct word? Because if you remember, the original 60s version of the ship was quite white gray, something between that. You can see that it again looks like it's starting to fall apart slightly. I must check that, if it's intentional or if it will be damaged soon. This is the bottom part of the ship. I like this. You can see here the size. It perfectly fits on a hand. Now, I actually prefer the model put like this, upside down. It really looks like a bird preparing for attack. But they went with this version, obviously. But still, it looks kind of cool also, like this. And it's time to put it on the display stand, which, unlike on some previous models, can be actually used. It's not wobbly, it's perfectly fit. You don't have to be afraid that the model falls down and breaks. So again, this is a nice overview from all the sides, from all the angles. You can see the nice claw-like verb nacelles, the head and the tail of the bird. Nice model. I like this one. Nice work, Eaglemoss. As usually, there is also a magazine with the information about both the quote-unquote real starship and the model. You can see here some nice specifications, very basic. On the next page you can see a nice, highly detailed render of the model and an article about the starship. Now, these pictures show clearly that it's from the Enterprise era and not from TOS. The NX-01 met this kind of starship once. Now, this article is about designing the Romulan Bird-of-Prey. You can see clearly it was inspired by the original 60s model. These are different sketches, which I would actually prefer if they kept the bird painting. Now, this is the original Romulans, an article about how they were created as antagonists for TOS. DC Fontana did also a pretty good season 3 Romulan episode. And now the key appearances on Star Trek Enterprise Minefield. Next week, Mackie Raider. The end.